friends, how are you? So today is day 4 of BOGO and it's an amazing BOGO. For the price of one, you will get 3 oils. So today, if you buy Spearmint, you will get Eucalyptus, one of my favorites, with lemon, one of my most used oil. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about this trio. It's like great for anything in the house. It's very good for clearing the air, so I'm going to just talk about each one of them. Spearmint, it's very good kind of to, oh sorry, let me just get my nose. When you are like having any kind of digestive discomfort, you can put it under your tongue, or you can drink a tea of it, or you can put it over your tummy with some fractionated coconut oil. Also, if you need help with anything respiratory, it will open up your respiratory tracts, and it's also very good for lifting up your mood and providing energy. This is also very good if you want to place a drop in your toothbrush before you brush. It will give you very nice breath. So anytime that you're out and then you ate something and you don't have gum, this is like a very good option. Just put one drop under your tongue and then you're good to go. The emotional part of Spearmint, it's a very good oil for communication. So anytime I have to give a class or I have to speak in public, I always put a drop under my tongue. It helps with breath, and it also helps me with being able to communicate what I really want to tell people. If you are shy and you have a hard time talking to other people, or you're it's hard for you to let things out, this oil is very good in that emotional part of it, and it helps you with self-expression. This is also good for cleaning. So whenever I make my cleaners, like my my counter cleaner, I could put Spearmint, and then I always put lemon. So this is a good combination to do over your counter. You just put vinegar, water, and then these two, and you have a cleaner, and it's non-toxic. We've talked about the importance of having non-toxic ingredients in your homes, and this is a really good way to get started with that. So that's Spearmint. You can also do it for your toilet pots. It's a very good option to use, just because the smell of a Spearmint is very good. It's very fresh. Then the next one, it's one of my favorites. I remember the first time I opened Eucalyptus. When I smelled it, it took me back all the way to Peru, when my grandma used to go to the forest, and she used to get like the leaves of eucalyptus and put it in water and just make it boil, and the whole house would just smell like eucalyptus. I cannot tell you how much I love this. It's like one of my favorites, just because it supports me physically and emotionally, and it also brings back so many good memories. So some of the benefits of eucalyptus is that anytime you have any kind of respiratory discomfort, it will open your chest, your airways, and it will promote clear breathing. You can also diffuse it in your house to clean the air. So if, let's say, you cook fish or anything like that, you can put a couple of drops in the diffuser, and it will completely clean the air when the kids are sick or they're congested. This is something I put in the diffuser all the time. If you have any kind of tension in your shoulders or neck, it's very good to give a nice massage. So just put either like a lotion, or you can put fractionated coconut oil, put a couple of drops of eucalyptus, and it will just bring so much, you will release the tension so good. Something else that you can do kind of to lift up and give you more energy and invigorize you, just put a couple of drops like I've done it before. Remember, just one drop is enough. You just put a drop, and you just, he just goes all the way in, and it just, and I love this one actually more than peppermint, just because it opens me up so much, and it's not like so strong as peppermint is. So this is my favorite to go anytime, my go-to anytime we have any respiratory issues. So that's a really good way to get more energy during the day. Another thing, like the emotional part of eucalyptus, and this is something I didn't know until I started learning a little bit more about the oils, is that every oil not only has like a physical benefit but also a emotional benefit. So eucalyptus is very good to kind of let go of any unresolved emotions that you might have. So you might have things like frustration, or you're bitter at somebody. This is a very good oil that you can use. Just put it in your chest and just breathe, and that kind of helps you work through those emotions. It also helps really the wellness of mind and body. So this is a very good oil to, if you want to kind of let go of things. You know, sometimes we get in situations where even though we really don't mean to get mad at some people, like you just, it's like it upsets me so much that this person blah, blah, blah. So this is an oil that you can just put it over your chest and just be like, you know what? It is what it is. You let it go and you move on, so you can have a very well, like a balanced mind and body. So eucalyptus is so amazing. I also use it for my carpet cleaner. So I just get baking soda, and then I put a little bit of drops, and I put more baking soda, and then more drops, and then I just spray it over the carpet, and then it's great. I get, my carpet smells so amazing and so fresh. And then the last oil, which is one of my favorite oils and most used oils, it's lemon. I use lemon for everything. I put lemon in my water in the mornings. I also use it for cleaning all over the house. So I use it for my surface cleaner. I use it for my toilet pots. When I want to clean the floor, I use that too. I mean, lemon has so many uses. Another thing, like if you have a sticker sticking to something and it doesn't come out, just put a couple of drops of lemon, and then the sticky stuff will come out right quickly. If you have gum in your hair, or the kids have gum in their hair, this is something that it will help so much. So it's a very good oil for cleaning. It cleans the air, it cleans surfaces, so it's amazing for non-toxic surface cleaning. This one is also very good for seasonal threats. So you know, seasons are changing, pollen is around, things are all over the place. So this is a very good option to not go to the store and get over-the-counter stuff. Lemon is very good with lavender and peppermint for any kind of seasonal discomfort. The emotional part of lemon is that improves your focus and mental clarity. So anytime that you feel overwhelmed with work, and it's just, you mean like your mind is all over the place, just put a couple of drops in your hands, or put it in the diffuser. Sorry, that's Nicolas. And it also like brings you any kind of, if you want to lift your mood, say hi. Hi. If you want to lift up your mood, you're feeling down, this is an amazing oil for it. It also helps you with like restore joy and happiness. So anytime that you're feeling down, lemon is an amazing oil for mood. So today's BOGO is such an amazing offer, because for the price of Spearmint, you get these two oils, which are so amazing. Nico, you like your oils?
Yes.
Yes, see, we love our oils here. So if you have any questions how you can get started with oils, I'll be more than happy to help you. Just contact me, and then I can guide you through this. This has really changed our lives, and this is such a good trio to kind of start your, like if you want to get rid of toxins in your house. So just let me know if you have any questions, okay? Bye. Nicolas, say bye.
Bye.
They can see you.
Bye.